Hey Chicas, welcome back to my channel, and for today I have another Temu haul for you guys. Super excited about this one. This haul is going to be gadgets from Temu. I have a bunch of gadgets to show you guys and I'm super excited to start using them. Before we get started, just in case you've never heard of Temu, Temu is an online marketplace. They also have an app that is so user-friendly. They have tons of different products from tons of different categories, whether it be like bath, beauty, electronics, pet, baby. They have clothes, they have shoes, they have purses, luggage, kitchen items, bathroom items. They have everything you could possibly want. I will have everything from today's video linked down below in my description box for you guys to easily shop today's video. Also, when you shop today's video, you're going to get a special discount of 30% off extra of those items that I'm mentioning to you today. Temu is constantly having like a 90% off sale. Every single day they have tons of different kinds of coupons, little games you can play on the website to earn more coupons and money towards your order. And it's just a really fun site to explore. So thank you so much to Temu for sponsoring today's video and providing me the products to show you today. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so the first item I need to show you guys is this neck fan, and this could not have come at a better time because it actually has started getting really warm over here. It's gorgeous outside right now, but we have not put the air conditioners in our windows yet, and so I have a neck fan I can use. I actually am so excited for this, and I feel like I would want to wear this at work because I get so hot at work. And it comes with a little charging cord. And yeah, so you charge this. I don't know if it's, let's see if oh, it's pre-charged. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is actually amazing. I needed this all my life, Temu. I needed this all my life. I'm telling you, when I go to work, I get so hot. When I'm cleaning the house, I always get super hot. This would be good for even working out on the treadmill when you're getting hot. If you're doing yard work outside, you could get it for your husband or your wife if they work outdoors. Like, this would be great for like mailmen and mail women. I love this. I just want to see if there's like different settings. There's 3 speeds and then you turn it off. Wow. Wow. I'm completely impressed by this product, you guys. This is totally gonna come in handy this warm weather season. So this is where the air is coming out of. It also comes out of right here. And it's super sleek. And it just sits right there on the neck, like so perfectly. Speaking of nice weather, I'm sure you guys are getting your toes all prepped and ready for wearing sandals because it's finally sandal weather. I love wearing sandals, but I must do my toes before I put my feet out. And you know what? I did do them a few weeks ago, but what I do need to do is remove some dead skin. And that sounds really gross, but it's necessity, girl. If you want your feet to be soft, you have to remove some calluses, okay? So this is a rechargeable callus remover. It's a quartz grinding wheel. That sounds very fancy. 360 rotating, wide angle, easy, fun to use. You can use it wet or dry. I'm really excited about this. Like, I know that there's pumice stones and I know there's like things you can do by hand, but like, let's be honest, sometimes I don't want to do it by hand because I'm just too lazy for that. I don't want to do it manually. I want something easier. And that's what I love about Temu, because I swear they have so many products that literally just make your life so much easier. So it comes with a little instruction manual here. And it comes with a charging wire. Love it. This is a little brush to like clean it off. And then it comes with another little the pumice wheel, the quartz wheel or whatnot. All right, so here is what she looks like. Sorry, my fingerprints are all over it. Oh, here we go. All right, okay. Oh, okay, it feels smoother. It definitely is like, you know, sandpaper for your feet. This is definitely going to get the job done. It's going to be a lot easier and a lot less tiring to do it this way versus doing it manually. So I'm super excited to get my feet all nice and baby soft. They definitely have to be taken care of. I'm not going to show my feet online, but it definitely works, and I will keep you guys updated in vlogs as well. Since we are on the subject of self-care, I might as well show you these next two products that have to do with self-care. I decided to treat hubby to a new electrical razor. Actually, he hasn't had one of these kinds in a little while. He's been doing the traditional razors for a while, but you know what? Hubby and me, we are just grinding every day. We are busy people, and I was like, you know what, hubby, you should have something that's a lot easier than doing the by hand razor. So I wanted to treat him and get this for him. This is for your whole body. You can use it on your whole body. It gives you 45 minutes on your charge. Multi-directional floating 3 blades, double ring cutter head. You charge it for 5 hours, and it's a USB charger, and it has a double layer whisker blade. And it says it has 1-click operation. All right, so it obviously comes with your little charging cord. Temu's always taking care of us and providing the charging cords, and I love it. It also comes with this like face brush scrubber. This is like a 4-in-1 shaver. So it also has this for the nose hairs. I don't know if you can see that. It's a little nose hair trimmer attachment that you can put on there. And then it also has this attachment, you know, for like cutting hair. It has 2 little plastic attachments there of different sizes. So whether it be like manscaping or trimming their head themselves, it's got 2 little attachments on there. And then here is what the shaver looks like. Really sleek, really nice. It has a little bit of like weight to it where you know it's quality, but it's also not like too heavy. So I love that about it. It looks really sleek and nice. And there's a little cap on the blades here, and you just take that cap off. And that's, I'm not going to put this on my head because I don't want to shave myself by accident, but that's what you do. And it looks like it's going to be a little bit flexible to get around his head. If you don't know, hubby is bald, so he does shave. See if I can do it on my arm. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, that's like so smooth actually. So I barely have like arm hair. You can't really see it unless you get up really close and like look with the sunlight. It's very, very fine little hair, but I can feel how smooth it is. And when I look at it with the light behind it, it did work, and that's super exciting. I really think that he's gonna love this. And then there's a little button here where you open it, and that's where you can clean out the hair. So another thing of like, another reason why I got this is because when he shaves his head, the little hairs end up all over the sink. You know how it is. And so this is definitely going to capture all the little hairs in here for the most part, so my sink won't be as messy. And yeah, I'm really excited to give that to him. Next product that we have is a little shaver for myself. Now, like I said, I don't really have like hair here. It doesn't really show. And very seldom do I have to shave my legs because my leg hair is the same where you can just barely see any hair. But I was thinking of womanscaping. Would this be easier? Okay, I'm not gonna say it out loud, but you know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. I just felt like for womanscaping, could this possibly make my life so much easier? Because we all know it's a struggle. It's annoying. Has to get done, but it's annoying. So I wanted to go ahead and try one. A his and hers shaver. Also, I feel like this is sleek enough to travel with. Also, hubby's he can travel with. Ooh, she's really pretty too. She is pink and white. Oh my goodness, so pretty and so sleek. Feels very comfortable to hold. And it does come with several attachments here. So you charge this USB. It is a 4-in-1 shaver, just like hubby's. It says lady shaver. You know what I'm talking. you know what we're talking about. Eyebrow trimmer, beard trimmer, body shaver, and ear nose trimmer. So almost the same, pretty much the same as hubby's. It has a cap on it. And let's see. That sounds nice and strong. And it does come with a little brush to clean it out. This is the little body shaver attachment. This is the little eyebrow trimmer. This is the ear and nose attachment. And of course you have your little charging cable. But yes, I am so excited to use this. Let's see on the other arm. Oh yeah. Yep. That's baby smooth. Oh my goodness. Wow. So, but why is it so soft? Like, oh my gosh, incredibly soft. This works good already. I'm so excited to use this. Yeah, it's gonna be a yes for me. It was absolutely so affordable, and it's absolutely gonna make your life so much easier. Honestly, just get it, because if you do have hair on your legs and you forgot to shave, girl, literally keep this in your purse. Literally keep it in your purse. Sometimes I wear a tank top in the summertime and I forgot to shave here. Honestly, take it with you when you travel. Put it in your car. I have another self-care type of item. I thought that was my last one, but I have another self-care item. I think this is what I think it is. Yes, okay, so this is teeth whitener. I've always wanted to try these teeth whiteners. This is battery operated. It takes one of those little circle batteries, and it actually didn't come with it. I'm kind of surprised it didn't come with a battery, but I know I can get one somewhere. So I'll go ahead and just have to get that. There's one button on the top here, and it's like a blue light, if I'm not mistaken, and you put it in your mouth, almost like a mouth guard, and you whiten your teeth. So just wanted to come on here really quick and let you guys know I did have to go buy my battery separately, but I did go on the website and they have other types of these devices that do come with everything as a kit. So I just chose this one, not thinking or reading the description. This is only the light, so you're gonna have to buy a teeth whitening gel to make the blue light effective in whitening your teeth. So definitely search the website, just look up teeth whitening, and they do have kits where it comes with this blue light. It comes with either a charging cord or whatnot, and then it also comes with the teeth whitening gel. So search for that, but this is purely the blue light, so I went and bought a teeth whitening gel. There was no instructions with this one, which is a little funny, so I'm gonna have to look up on the website. When you click the link, you'll be able to see, it does show you on the website how to use these things, and it shows you pictures, so that's great. So I'll have to just revisit the site to remember how to use this. I'm not going to put it in my mouth right now because I do need to clean it. But I'm really excited to use this. I really don't feel like my teeth are that yellow, but I do drink a lot of tea, and I could benefit from like a little bit of whitener on my teeth. So I'm really excited to start using this because I've been taking headshots for my real estate job, and I want to make sure I look really fresh and pretty and white teeth. A lot of people are going to be seeing my face, so I really wanted to try out one of these teeth whiteners. The next thing I got is kind of weird, but like honestly so necessary, okay? This is a 6-pack ultrasonic pest repeller, multifunction control pest repeller. It's environmental friendly because there's no sprays and no chemicals. And it says it's a new generation of security, environmental protection, high-tech products, and they eliminate 4 different kinds of pests. On here, it has a bunch of these to show you what kind of pests it eliminates it. I'm not sure if you can see it very well, but it's going to eliminate mosquitoes, ants, spiders, roaches, and rodents. So I'm really excited to try this out, you guys. How it works is it says it's a bionic wave that stimulates mouse yelling on a mouse. Mosquito, insect, stimulus is very large to drive to good effect. It says it's an intelligent nightlight to make your home more beautiful and warm. So it has like a little light when you plug it in. So essentially you plug these in. I know you're going to use a little bit of electricity by plugging these in, but I'm really interested to see how they work because and it is a 6-pack, you guys. There's 6 of them in there. I'm going to take one out to show you what it looks like. but it's ant season because it's been super rainy. So the ants are coming into my kitchen and it's so frustrating. Also, you guys know my house is so old that we do have like a mouse occasionally. It's really not that often, but you know, it's a 230-year-old house, so it is what it is. So I figured I would put these around my home and see how they work, especially because my kids are so scared of bugs. They are so scared of bugs. And so I'm definitely going to be keeping these in their room as well so that they can stay away, and definitely in the kitchen as well. I will have to keep you updated on how this works, but I'm really excited to try it. The next couple things I got are just so gimmicky, but I literally couldn't help myself. And these are electric grinders, okay? An electric peppercorn grinder and an electric salt grinder. You can use either one. There's a silver black one and a black one. I am so excited about this because I love fresh ground peppercorn, but while I'm cooking, sometimes I don't have two hands. Like I'll be like touching chicken with one hand and the one hand is clean, so I can put salt and then I have to flip it and put salt on the other side. But I can't do the pepper because I have to with two hands, you know? So I got these and we're gonna see how these work out because I just feel like it's gonna, again, make my life so much easier. All right, so here's what it looks like. Such a sleek, modern design. It's got the matte black that I've been changing my home decor to. Here is the button on the back. And right here is where you open it up and put your salt or your peppercorn. And then on the bottom here, it says coarse or fine. And you can like change this to decide how you want your grind, and there's a little LED light there, and when the LED light is on, that's when it's working and that's when it's coming out. This does take, it looks like 4 AAA batteries to work, so I'm definitely gonna have to pick up some batteries. I don't know if I have them right now, but you guys, I'm so excited to use this. So here's what the other one looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys, these look so nice. I feel so bougie with these, but like on a budget. I'm so excited to use these. I love it. All you have to do is pick it up and press the button and it's gonna grind your salt and your pepper. Super excited to add these to my kitchen. All right, so we made it to the last product. The last product is this adorable little water humidifier. Oh my goodness, it is so cute, and I got this for my daughter's bedroom. If you don't know, we have been transforming my daughter's bedroom to like a kitty cat theme. She's obsessed with cats, and I just had to get her this. It does include some directions in the box, and I think they had a couple different colors of this if I'm not mistaken. But you guys, oh my goodness, like literally, how cute. How cute is this? I'm so obsessed with this. Of course, it comes with a little charging port. You are going to need to get a block for this. The on-off button and where you charge is right on the back there. And yeah, I can just like put the water in here. You could add a little bit of essential oil in there so she could have some smell goods in her room. And yeah, I had to pick that up for her. The moment I saw it, I just knew I couldn't pass it up. All right, you guys, that is going to complete today's Temu haul. Be sure to stay tuned. I have a couple more Temu hauls coming up for you guys very soon. So subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. Make sure to give this a thumbs up if you do enjoy hauls like this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for all the goodies you saw today on the video and save you some money. I will see you guys in another video. Bye.